Imagine a world without reliable communication, accurate weather predictions, or precise navigation systems. This is the reality we'd face without satellites. Explore the vital contributions of these orbiting machines and learn how they make our lives easier, safer, and more connected. Did you know that over 5,000 satellites currently orbit Earth? These incredible machines are responsible for everything from communication and navigation to scientific research and even disaster relief. Dive into the fascinating world of satellites and discover their impact on our planet and our lives. Look up right now, somewhere above you. Thousands of artificial moons are silently working to make your life better. They help you navigate unknown roads, predict deadly storms, call loved ones across oceans, even withdraw cash from an ATM. These unsung heroes? Satellites. Here's the crazy part. Most people don't realize over 80% of our daily activities rely on space technology. Today we're going on a deep dive to uncover exactly how satellites shape your world in ways you never imagined. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your phone or the sky the same way again. Let's launch into it. Not all satellites are created equal. There are three main types orbiting above us right now. Geostationary satellites stay fixed over one location, 35,786 kilometer altitude, perfect for TV broadcasts. Weather monitoring, low Earth orbit satellites, 160, 2,000 kilometer altitude, fast orbit, 90 minutes per loop. Used for Earth imaging, science experiments, medium Earth orbit satellites, GPS constellation visualization, 20,000 kilometer altitude, critical for navigation systems. The first satellite, Sputnik 1 in 1957, was just a beeping metal ball. Today's satellites? They're smartphone factories in space with solar panels, atomic clocks, and AI processors. And some, like the International Space Station, are so bright you can see them with your naked eyes at night. Navigation revolution. Remember these? Russell's paper map. Yeah, no one misses them. Thanks to the US GPS, 31 satellites, Russian GLONASS, and EU's Galileo systems, we get pinpoint accuracy worldwide. Your phone doesn't actually talk to GPS satellites, it just listens to their super accurate atomic clock signals. The more satellites it hears, the better your location. Precision farming, tractors self-driving via GPS, earthquake monitoring, detecting ground shifts, sports analytics, tracking soccer player movements. Pokemon Go, yes, really. During 9/11, when cell towers failed, first responders used GPS to coordinate rescues. That's how vital this tech is. Weather and climate science. Modern weather forecasts are 3 to 5 days accurate thanks to satellites. Compare that to 1980s when 48-hour forecasts were lucky guesses. GOES 16 scans Western Hemisphere every 5 minutes. JPSS satellites track atmospheric temperature, moisture. European METOP monitors ocean winds. Climate change monitoring. These space cameras have documented Arctic ice declining 13% per decade, Amazon deforestation equivalent to 10 million football fields, CO2 concentrations rising globally. That weather app you check every morning? It's basically a satellite data delivery service. The communication revolution. We take live global video for granted now, but the first satellite TV broadcast in 1962 required a 10-meter dish. Today, your phone gets satellite signals. How it works. Traditional comsats, like Intelsat, handle overseas calls. New LEO constellations, Starlink, OneWeb, enable global broadband. Survival story. During the 2023 Turkey earthquake, Starlink terminals restored internet when ground infrastructure was destroyed, proving satellites can be lifelines in crises. Banking and global economy. Every time you swipe this, satellites sync transaction timestamps between banks. Why? Because time, money, and finance. The entire global financial system relies on GPS timing signals. Stock markets, cryptocurrency, even Bitcoin mining. Disaster response and security. Beyond civilian uses, satellites are critical for security, tracking wildfires in real time, monitoring nuclear treaty compliance, guiding search and rescue operations. Humanitarian case study. After the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, satellites mapped destruction areas, located accessible roads, directed aid to most affected zones, saving countless lives. Future frontiers, coming soon. Amazon's Project Kuiper, 3,236 satellites. China's Guowang, 13,000 satellites. Lunar GPS for moon missions. We're entering the second space age where your car will get satellite-based traffic updates, Farmers will micromanage crops via space data. Scientists may predict earthquakes by monitoring ground shifts from orbit. Next time you see a moving star at night, remember, it might be the satellite helping you stream this video, navigate home, or keep your money safe. Smash like if you learned something new, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and tell me in comments, what satellite service could you not live without?